And for court to grant or not to grant bail, it considers whether the accused persons have a fixed place of abode and whether, if released, they will be able to return. 2 is whether the accused persons are provided sureties who are able and ready and willing and understand their duties to stand surety for the accused persons. A1 presented his biological mother, his sister, his brother, and a friend as sureties. There was no objection of the sureties of A1 by the state. I also find these sureties that were presented by A1 substantial. A2 presented his sister, biological, and 2 friends who have been friends with him for over 18 years. Though the state attorney objected to the sureties, I find them substantial. They are aware of their duties, and they also know the residence of the accused person, and they all reside within the same vicinity with the accused persons. I find the sureties for A2 also substantial. I also find that the sureties presented for both accused persons reside within the same locality, that is within Machinga division, and that is within this court's jurisdiction. I find that they will be able to perform their duties as sureties. Nature of the case, the accused persons are facing. I am putting the following conditions that the accused persons must abide with. Conditions for bail is 1, each of the accused persons are released on cash bail of 1 million shillings. 2, the sureties are bonded at 5 million shillings each. Each of the sureties for each of the accused persons, not non-cash. 3, the accused persons are not allowed to leave the country without express permission of court. If they intend to leave the country, they have to seek permission of court. 4, the accused persons are warned from any interference with the victims or their workplace, whether verbally or through social media. As such attack, if proved, shall lead to automatic cancellation of bail. Those are the conditions for bail. If you meet the conditions above, the matter will come for mention 13th January. That's ample time to conclude the processes.
Amateeka gakirabika bulungi ekika ky'emisango egibavunaanibwa nti temusobola kutabagana butabaganyi olw'ekika ky'emisango egibavunaanibwa wabula abasabye mukwatagane n'omuwagi wa gavumenti okulaba nga emisango gino gibagibwako mu butongole nga amateeka bwe gakirambika. Mu nsonga ya beiro kooti egambye nti kooti bwe banga egeroba okweyimirirwa etunuulira nti avunaanibwa alina ekifo ekyenkalakalira mwabeera ajja kusobola okudda mu kooti olunaku lwaba yeetaagibwa nga n'abalima baleese bagwanidde. Avunaanibwa asooka yaleeta maama we ng'omulima, mukwano gwe ne muganda we omuwabi wa gavumenti eyawakanya balima abo era kooti nayo ekizudde baali bagwanidde okweyimirira. Obuvunaanibwa obwokubiri yaleeta mwannyina n'emikwano gye ebiri, newankubadde ng'omuwabi wa gavumenti yawakanya abalima bano ababiri. Kooti y'ekizudde nti bano baali babadde emikwano gy'okumala ebbanga ddene era n'ekizuula nti bagwanidde era baali bamanyi obuvunaanyizibwa bwabwe n'emirimu gyabwe gye balina okukola, ate era nga batuuze b'omu kitundu kino n'avunaanibwa gy'abeera nti basobola okukola omulimu gwabwe. Kooti ekkiriza okusabwako okweyimirirwa ku bukwakkulizo buno wammanga okusinziira ku kika ky'omusango ogubavunaanibwa. Buli avunaanibwa agenda kusasula akakadde kamu obuliwo. Abaabeeyimirira buli omu ajja kusasula obukadde 5 singa abantu bano babula ne batadda okusasula gavumenti ya Uganda buli omu oba n'okwatibwa. Basabiddwa obutafuluma ggwanga, oyo yenna ayagala okufuluma eggwanga alina okusooka okusaba olukusa kuva eri kooti. Basabiddwa obutalumbagana babavunaana mu ngeri yonna, oba ku mitimbagano oba gye babeera, singa ekyo kooti enaakizuula wadde gye bakolera temukkirizibwa ku lubalumba. Singa kooti enaakizuula okweyimirwa kwabwe kujja sazibwamu. Okukwakuliza obwo nga bumaze okugutuukiriza, omusango gujja kudda mu kooti nga 13 January mu mwaka ogujja. Rana Patrick alias Allen Skin.
Feel free. Your lawyer will inform me on 13. You can see. Then we have Mobile Salim. Prep space, Lydia, I need Mobile Salim on the door. So my condition for PW was I need the victim report. Therefore, you are not being serious in this matter, and
you worship, if I may.
My condition for PW, I was very specific. I need the victim report.
You worship, if I may. The victim had promised that he's going to be here in the morning.
Has anyone gotten in touch with him?
Yes, and the father, you worship. But they're playing it hard to get. I don't know why.
The other time.
Let's address what formally.
Yes, Your Honor, the representation is followed.
She did watch that one.
Your second name?
Shirunda Karu. Bambi Andrew. And then Christians. They all represent the principal.
Alimeita
For the report, we'll go side of
Yes, proceed.
Your Honor, we thought the victim would be around there so that we can conclude the conciliation process formally before court. Unfortunately, he's playing hide and seek. He's unable to have him in both.
So have you had an opportunity to meet with him before today?
Oh yeah, Your Honor, there is even an additional statement, I think, on the police side in that regard.
In the absence of the complainant, what's your prayer?
In that regard,
You
Your
can't
Honor,
address on the conciliation when I don't have the victim who is going to tell me whether you engaged or not. What's your prayer? Make the prayer you want to make now.
Your Honor, in the alternative, would leave the reconciliation bit to the state to address court about the additional statement on file. However, my other instructions, Your Honor, are applied for bail for the accused person.
Tabagala wabirekedde omwami wa gavumenti anaategeeza kooti embeera gye birimu naye bo babawadde olukusa oba obuyinza okusaba bbeeyi.
Proceed.
Your Honor, the accused person or the applicant for bail matter has policies in court related to stand for judicial.
Nani bonna abayima bali mu kkooti era beeteekuteeka okweyimiririra.
Surety number 1, Your Honor. Mr. Sekimpi Kasim.
Ziri maasooka ye Sekimpi Kasim. Sekimpi Kasim teetera Agamutidewo.
Sekimpi Kasim, Your Honor, is the chairperson who runs Agamutidewo.
How old are you? What did you for a living?
The chairperson just wants to collaborate and a businessman.
Businessman doing what?
I have a general clinic called Sankara General Clinic.
What's your relationship with the applicant?
In my
How long?
for over 20 years, when first two residents of Sankara.
Where does your friend stay?
Stays here in Makin,
The zone.
Center Zone.
Sankara is found in which zone, which parish and division?
Sankara is found in Koli Parish, Makin Division.
How long have you lived in Sankara?
I was born there.
Your phone number?
0757 83 87 38 and the MTN one to 0776 94 92 04.
Surety number 2, Your Honor, is Mawaja Musa.
Also what? How old are you? What did you do for a living?
Engineer in oil and gas.
Engineer in what?
In oil and gas.
That's a qualification. What work do you do?
I work with oil company called Slabajé. With who?
Engineer with
Oil and gas company, company called Slabajé.
the company name?
Slabajé.
Somebody?
Give us one.
Do you have anything to confirm that you work for that company here in court? Where is the company located?
Buya.
Hmm?
Buya.
What's your relationship with the applicant?
Sorry?
What's your relationship with the applicant?
I'm his personal manager.
What do you manage for him?
I manage our company, Fangon Forest Entertainment.
Is it a registered company?
It's under process of registration.
So it's not a company.
That's why it's in process.
When you say process, it's not a company.
Your Honor, perhaps I could
No, that's
on Fangon
why I'm
Forest,
talking to
Your
you.
Honor. Has issues with the RSP.
So it's not a company. Where do you stay?
I stay in Sankara zone.
Where is it from?
It's in Lukuri.
Which division? Division? How long have you lived there?
I've been there 4 years now.
2 years.
I'm making 4 years this month.
Where does your boss stay?
Same here in Sentongo.
Who is your chairperson in Sankara? Who is your chairperson in Sankara?
She's called our chairperson is actually person.
You know your role as a sheriff? What is your role as a sheriff?
Actually, here to stand in.
I'm not hearing you, engineer.
Tewabulira by'oyogera buvunaanyizibwa obumanyi bw'omulima
So I'm going boss one.
buvunaanyizibwa nga mwene
As a surety, what is your role?
bwengazi obwenga
Allow him to.
Yes, okubanga akomawo mu kooti at any time nga kooti limwagala nasobola okumutegeeza.
make sure that he comes back.
Is your boss, how are you going to ensure he comes to court?
Because
Remember, he does not take instructions from you. Instead, he gives you instructions.
so the good thing is we have good relations with him, so he listens to me. So he will make sure he puts everything under consideration. Because I'm his personal manager.
Your Honor, surety number 3 is Mayanda Sisi.
Mayanja Sisi
She's a sister, Your Honor. Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 40.
What did you tell you?
Have a salon and a boutique
Where?
in the Central Zone.
What's your relationship with the applicant?
It's my brother,
Biological, clan?
biological.
Who is older?
Me,
Where do you stay?
I stay here in Mapu,
I don't know where you stay. What is the zone called?
Central Zone.
Which parish? Division?
The division is in Makinde division.
Phone number?
0701 56 36 45.
Who is your mother with the applicant? Which parent do you share with the applicant? Which parent do you share with the applicant?
The father,
What's the applicant's mother's name?
Nachani Subuga, Nanyazi Subuga, China Subuga.
The mother of the applicant.
Yes.
Your Honor, the offense the applicant is charged with is based on provisional report. And Your Honor, we're also mindful that the court, this honorable court has just granted the applicant bail.
What does that mean? What does that imply to the second part? So it should be automatic that
So no,
it's
it
granted bail on
is
this.
not automatic, Your Honor, but we are also mindful of that fact. And we pray that court finds the surety is substantial and medium to grant the applicant bail.
Kimanyi bulungi nti kkooti yakamala okweyimirwa era basabye n'abayiwa kkooti ezidde ekibagwanidde abo okweyimirira ne mweno fayiza.
We are also aware that Article 23 of the Constitution
Kimanyi bulungi akawaayiro 23 akasemateeka
gives a right to any person to apply for bail.
kawa omuntu yenna eddembe okusaba okweyimirirwa
The discretion remains for this honorable court.
naye ng'era kkooti yeesigaliza obuyinza
Can we have order in court, the people whose phones are on?
ogamba si musabiddwa
Either
mugayide
to grant or not to grant bail.
tulina obuyinza okukkiriza okweyimirirwa oba okugaana.
Also, the application is premised on the presumption of innocence.
Era n'okusaba kuno kuleeteddwa mu ngeri nti omuntu ono kiteeberezebwa nti talina musango.
In accordance with Article 28 of the Constitution.
Ng'akawaayiro 28 akasemateeka bwe kagamba.
And the accused person pleaded not guilty to the charges.
Kubanga avunaanibwa emisango yajeegaana nti tagiza.
So just tell me why you think you will not abscond. That is what I need. You all know he pleaded not guilty.
Not to grant, Your Worship, the accused person has presented sureties to the honorable court,
Esa abalima mu maaso g'ekkooti ey'ekitiibwa
who shall ensure that he appears as and when required,
abajja okukakasa nti ajja mu kkooti lw'anaaba yeetaagiddwa.
and the accused person is a resident of the area of this honorable court,
ng'avunaanibwa mu bujulize w'ekitundu kino kkooti kyetwala
with a fixed place of abode,
era ng'alina n'ekifo ekyenkalakkalira w'abeera
and that shall guarantee that he shall not abscond bail.
kikakasa bulungi tetajja tadda mu kkooti lw'aba yeetaagiddwa.
Your Worship, this matter also has been undergoing reconciliation,
Omusango guno gukyagenda maaso n'okwesaganya
whereby the complainant recorded an additional statement in this matter,
amuvunaana yakola additional statement mu musango guno
and based on that, we pray this honorable court to exercise its discretion to grant that this person bail.
era okusinziira ku ebyo basaba kkooti n'ekitiibwa ebiseera obuyinza bwayo ewe avunaanibwa okweyimirirwa.
Yes, sorry, 3.
Mulimu okusatu akwagala
So where's your step?
Sankara zone.
Sankara. Your worship, the authority presented before court. And they're substantial. One is Nancy, one of the village. And the other is their sister. So I believe they can be able to prevail over that person. Counsel for the accused person at the end alluding to the additional statement. And I would like to confirm court that indeed we have an additional statement recorded by the complainant on the 22nd of November 2024. Where he actually expressed his forgiveness to the with that, Your Honor, we have no objection to the bail application. I pray that court gives the term that it didn't fit to the circumstances of the case.
You need it to forward the file, so I don't need it on my
I
record.
just wanted you to say if you want just to look at it.
Challenge is not here to even confirm it. Or even the recording of it. The letter was requesting for PW had a copy of the same.
Must oblige.
Sijja kukoleza enaka awo kukomani. Video Vaya.
This is my ruling. Accused was presented for plea and he pleaded not guilty to all the charges. He has exercised his rights and applied for bail. He has presented three sureties: his chairperson Dulcie, the manager, and his elder sister. There is no objection on the sureties presented. Both counsel for the accused and counsel for the state has informed court of the possible settlement of this matter, and that the complainant has recorded an additional statement, a copy of which has been furnished in court. I find the sureties presented substantial, and I find that the accused resides within the jurisdiction of this court. I find the sureties will be able to prevail over the accused. There is no serious objection to the application. The same is allowed. However, considering the charges he faced, I put conditions to ensure that the reports all until the matter is determined by the DPP. So bail is allowed on the following terms. The accused is released on cash bail of 1 million shillings. The sureties are bonded at 3 million shillings, not cash. The accused is warned from leaving the country without express permission of court. For any possible reconciliation, counsel for the accused and the state can forward the file for the DPP for advice under section 121. Considering the charges he faced, the court cannot just enter a reconciliation. If he meets the conditions above, the matter comes up on 13th January 2025 for mention. I also warn, as a word of caution, the media houses here, let's be professional. Some of you leave court and you can start reporting your own issues. Be professional when you're reporting. And also, I'm also informing the bloggers, report what is right. If you find you are just reporting the way you want, you might come back as one of our clients. For us, we are ready to
So bwebityo bitambudde mu kkooti era okusinziira ku mulamuzi ategeezezza nti okusinzirira ku bayima oba suralities ababayimiridde nti alaba nti byonna bye bapurezentinze bibadde bituufu, ebibakwatako, gye babeera, bakola ki, balina luganda ki ku bano abasibe oba abawawaabirwa. So agamba nti watunuddemu alaba nga buli kimu kye bapurezentinze kituufu ate nti okusinziira ku constitution yaffe eya Uganda omuntu alina eddembe okuba ng'akola ki yeeyimirirwa. Naye jjukira nti olunaku lw'eggulo tafunye amawulire nti maama wa Alien Skin nga kwotadde n'abaganda be babitaddemu engatto ne beesooga ensambya ne bagenda mu maaso g'abakulu bano abakulira eddwaliro ly'ensambya Bambi mbu ne bafukamira ku maviivi ne bagamba tusonyiwe leka ensonga zino tuzimalire wabweru wa kkooti era bwe twawulidde bwe tutyo. So kigambibwa nti abakulu bano ndowooza baawulidde maama okusaba kwa maama ne bakkiriza ebintu bino babijje mu kkooti babe nga bakola ki babimaliriza bo bokka na bokka n'abawawaabirwa. Ate munnange ekyenjawulo ekirala kyendabyemu kiri nti omusango gwa Alien Skin ne Julio gugasse full figure ne Naalongo. Bano nno tubamanyidde ku musango gwa Haji ne Hajati nga Fulufiga ali ku sayidi ya Haji ate Naalongo ali ku sayidi ya Hajati. Naye this time around bonna begasse ne bakola kimu ng'ekitole ne babeera ku sayidi ya Alien Skin. So bwe bityo bitambudde baweereddwa bail. Ndowooza ebisigadde byonna tujja kubanga tubaleetera tujja kubanga tutambula nayo naye nkuleetedde court session yonna nga weetambudde n'ensala y'omulamuzi. Tuli ku MCK-TV munnange obanga tuna subscribinga kekadde subscribinga ringinga that notification bell sharinga likinga ebisigadde nja kubanga mbikuwa mpola sigala naffe tovaawo.